Now I summarize sales data on the pivot chart. To insert pivot chart in the pivot table sheet, click Analyze tab. In Tools group, click Pivot Chart. Click Combo Chart. I add column chart in these two series. Click this arrow button. Select clustered column. Click this arrow button. Select clustered column. Click OK. Press mouse and drag down at this position. Right click. Hide all fill buttons on chart. Click Chart Elements button. Place legend at the bottom. Double click on chart. Select any column. Click Fill arrow button. I change the color of this column. First check solid fill. Then click Color arrow button. I select green color. Then select this column. Check solid fill. I select color for these 5 columns below. Then select these 5 columns. Check solid fill. Click this arrow button. I select purple color. Then select these 5 columns. Check solid fill. I select light blue color for these 5 columns. Now click on Series option. Overlap the series up to 100%. Decrease the gap width between columns. Click Cancel. Now I insert slicer to filter pivot table data. First adjust the position of this chart. At this position, click Analyze tab. Click Insert Slicer. Select month. Click OK. Change the style of slicer. Click this arrow button. I select this style. Resize the slicer. Click on September button. Pivot table shows only revenue value of each product in the month of September. The pivot chart is also updated according to these values. Click on October. Both pivot chart and pivot table are updated according to October revenue values. Click on November. Both pivot tables and pivot chart are updated according to November revenue values. Click on Clear Filter button to see each month revenue value in the pivot table and pivot chart. In this way, pivot chart and slicer are added in the pivot table.